Good morning, students. Welcome to the e-learning classes. I'm your science teacher. I hope you all are doing good. So, let's start our today's work. Today, we will continue with the exercises of lesson 5. So, all of you take out your science copies quickly and start writing. आप लोग अपने साइंस की कॉपीज निकाल लीजिए and start writing. Please do very neat and clean work. First of all, write down today's date. Today is 25/8/2020. Then write down classwork on the next line. Underline it. On the next line, write down the lesson number and lesson name. Lesson 5, our body. This is our lesson name. Underline it with the help of your scale and pencil. On the next line, write down the exercise name. So, today we will do tick the correct statement and cross the wrong ones. It means you have to put a correct sign in front of that statement which is correct. जो statement सही है उसके सामने आपको टिक का साइन लगाना है and you have to put a cross sign which is a wrong statement. और जो गलत statement है, गलत sentence है, उसके आगे आपको cross का साइन लगाना है. Is it clear? So let's start. Tick the correct statements and cross the wrong ones. Alright, you have to put a correct sign in front of correct statement and cross sign in front of wrong statement. Now underline the heading. Now let's start our exercise now. Our first question is, bones are soft. Bones are soft. बोन्स कैसे होते हैं? बोन्स सॉफ्ट होते हैं. So, is it true or false? You have to write tick if it is correct statement and cross if it is a wrong statement. So, I have discussed with you. Bones are hard parts of our body. Bones क्या हैं? They are the hard parts of our body and the softer part is called muscles. जो soft part है उसको muscles कहा जाता है and bones are the hard parts. Bones hard parts हैं. So it is a wrong statement. तो wrong statement के लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We will put a cross sign here. Alright. So it is a incorrect statement, wrong statement, because bones are hard. Number 2, muscles help us to move our bones. Muscles help us to move our bones. Muscles क्या करते हैं, हमारे bones को move करने में help करते हैं. So it is correct or incorrect? Yes, right. It is a correct statement. ये सही statement है because muscles क्या करते हैं, they help bones to move. वो move करने में help करते हैं. They help us to walk. They help us to run. They help us to write. They help us to do various activities. Otherwise our body will be stiff. It will not bend. So muscles are the softer part and they help us to move our bones. It is a correct statement. So we will put a correct sign here. Now let's move to the third one. Number 3. The place where two or more bones meet is called a skeleton. 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 So the place where two or more bones meet is called a skeleton. It is a correct or incorrect statement? ये सही है या गलत है? I have discussed with you this question multiple times, that the place where two or more bones meet is called joints. उसको क्या कहते हैं? Joints कहते हैं. They are elbow joint, wrist joint, knee joint. There are various joints. So the place where two or more bones meet is called a joint, not the skeleton. Skeleton नहीं होता, joint होता है. So it is a wrong statement. So we will put a cross sign in front of this. So this is a wrong statement. So these are the 3 questions. Take the correct answer, which we will do in this exercise. Bones are soft. No, they are hard. So it is a wrong statement. Muscles help us to move our bones. Yes, they help us to move our bones. So it is a correct statement. The place where two or more bones meet is called skeleton. No, it is called joint. को joints कहते हैं, skeleton नहीं कहते हैं. So it is a wrong statement. So we will put a cross sign over here. All right. So now you just open your books, page number 41. आप लोग अपने बुक्स में पेज नंबर 41 खोल लीजिए. एक्सरसाइज A, that is, identify the following pictures and complete their names. You have to identify these pictures. ये pictures दिए हुए हैं. You have to identify it. आपको identify करना है, पहचानना है, and you have to complete the spellings given here. आपको ये spellings दिए हुए इसको complete करना है. All right. So let's start. You will do this in your books only. ये काम आप अपने books में ही करोगे. No one is going to write this in साइंस फेयर कॉपी. ये काम साइंस की फेयर कॉपी में नहीं करना है, सिर्फ बुक में ही करना है. ऑलराइट. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. नंबर 1, व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज अ skeleton. I have discussed with you that it is the structure of bones. So you have to complete the spelling of skeleton. S-K-E-L-E-T-O is already written. We will write N. Skeleton. S-K-E-L-E-T-O-N. Skeleton. ऑलराइट स्टूडेंट्स, राइट ओनली इन कैपिटल लेटर्स में ही लिखिएगा. यू ऑल मिक्सड कैपिटल लेटर्स एंड स्मॉल लेटर्स, प्लीज़ डोंट डू दैट. मिक्स करके मत लिखिएगा. राइट ओनली इन कैपिटल लेटर्स. नंबर 2, what is this? This is a muscles. So we will complete the spelling of muscles. M-U-S-C-L-E-S, muscles. So this is a muscles. This is a diagram of a muscles. So we will write muscles here. Number 3, identify this picture. What is this? Just now I have told you that the place where 2 or more bones meet is called a joint. This is a joint here, and 2 bones are joining here, so it is a joint. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, 2 bones मिल रहे हैं, तो जहाँ पे 2 bones मिलते हैं उसको क्या कहते हैं, joints. So we will write joint here. J is already written. O, I is already written. N, T, joint. So this is a joint. Skeleton, muscles and joint. These are the 3 pictures given here. Alright. Now it's your homework time. Write down your homework. Do exercise B given on page number 41. पेज नंबर 41 में जो एक्सरसाइज बी दी हुई है, यू हैव टू डू दैट. लेट्स सी व्हाट इज दिस. टिक द गुड पॉस्चर एंड क्रॉस द बैड वंस. जो सही पॉस्चर है उसको टिक करना है, जो गलत पॉस्चर है उस पर क्रॉस करना है. सो यू हैव टू डू दिस इन योर बुक्स ओनली. दिस इज योर होमवर्क. यहाँ काम आप अपने बुक्स में करोगे, ये आपका होमवर्क है. ऑलराइट. I hope things are clear to you. That's all for today. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.